Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. This video will show you a dangerous driver who will probably be involved in an accident in the not too distant future. When that happens, I hope there are no passengers with him because he is totally irresponsible. You can sense this type of danger from the way bad drivers drive. This is the case for this BMW. The driver is always wanting to get in front and he tailgates. He has presumably his wife in the front passenger seat and two kids in the back, and yet he puts them in danger by the aggressive way he drives. Regular viewers of this channel will know that I like to drive cautiously and defensively. So here I am using traffic-aware cruise control and moving at the speed of the car in front of me. It's a safe distance, particularly since it has been raining. Many aggressive drivers in Hong Kong, like this BMW driver, will try to cut in front of me because the gap left by Tesla somehow appears tempting to them. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel where I will post more videos about bad drivers and how we can stay safe on the roads.